While everyone's attention was focused on Tesla and BYD's electric vehicles, Volkswagen made a move that shook the entire automobile market. Yes, we're talking about the all-new Volkswagen T-Roc, whose second generation has just been launched. Just think about it. While the whole world is chasing electric vehicles, Volkswagen has grabbed everyone's attention by launching a powerful gasoline SUV in this electric era. This new Volkswagen T-Roc isn't just a car, it's a statement that the magic of the internal combustion engine is still alive. Its modern looks and upgraded features win people's hearts at first sight, which is why it's making headlines in the global market. So, what makes this SUV stand out in the noise of electric vehicles? What engine technology has Volkswagen used in the new T-Roc? And why is everyone talking about it, especially since it's priced lower than many electric cars? But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our amazing videos. When the whole world was running toward electric cars with companies like Tesla and BYD dominating the headlines, Volkswagen made a move that surprised everyone. Yes, in this electric era, Volkswagen launched the second generation of its T-Roc with a powerful gasoline engine. Now, the question is why? When the market is leaning so heavily toward electric, why would Volkswagen take this risk? Well, that's the most interesting part of this story. Automakers around the world are spending billions on EVs. Governments are offering subsidies. And many people believe the future belongs entirely to electric cars. But Volkswagen chose a different path, perhaps thinking it's better to stand out than to get lost in the crowd. And maybe that's what makes this move risky, but also smart. Now, think about it. What's the biggest problem with EVs today? Long charging times, lack of charging stations, high battery costs, and short battery life. For long-distance travel, most people still trust petrol and diesel cars. Yes, EVs are great for city driving and short commutes, but if you need to travel 500 or 600 kilometers, a gasoline car still feels more practical. Volkswagen clearly saw this, and that's why they launched the new T-Roc with a petrol engine. Of course, this is a bold move because companies like Tesla, BYD, and Hyundai are racing ahead with EVs so fast that it feels like petrol and diesel cars might end up in museums within the next decade. So, naturally, Volkswagen's decision surprised many people. Some even called it madness. Why build a petrol car when everyone's going electric? But Volkswagen seems to have a solid answer to Mark. You'll be surprised to know that even in places like Europe and the US, where EVs are most heavily promoted, millions of people still prefer petrol cars. The reasons are simple. EVs are expensive, charging is inconvenient, and charging stations aren't everywhere. So, Volkswagen did what it has always done best: build a people's car. A car that's affordable, reliable, and practical. Now, why has this move become such a hot topic in the auto market? Because it directly challenges the widespread belief that EVs are the only future. While many automakers are claiming petrol and diesel vehicles will disappear in the next 10 years, Volkswagen is saying, not yet, the magic of gasoline isn't over. This bold thinking makes the new T-Roc special. And this launch isn't just about a car, it's a statement. Volkswagen is proving that there's still enough demand for internal combustion engines to take a calculated risk. And when a giant like Volkswagen does something like this, the entire global market pays attention. Now, let's talk about the T-Roc story. The Volkswagen T-Roc isn't a new name, it has an interesting history. It was first introduced in 2017. At a time when crossovers and compact SUVs were becoming popular. People wanted big SUVs, but they also wanted something practical, a car that could handle city traffic, didn't take up too much space, and wasn't too expensive. Volkswagen understood this need perfectly and launched the T-Roc. The first generation was an instant hit. Its design was stylish, it had the rugged feel of an SUV, yet it was compact enough to drive comfortably on crowded city roads. With Volkswagen's trusted name and strong safety features, the T-Roc quickly became one of the best-selling compact SUVs in Europe, often called a small but powerful SUV. But as with all cars, change became necessary with time. Between 2017 and 2023, the automotive market evolved dramatically. Drivers no longer wanted just a stylish car, they wanted technology, connectivity, large touchscreens, and eco-friendly options. The EV craze was growing and every company was launching new models and upgrades. So, for Volkswagen, updating the T-Roc wasn't just an option, it was a must. Without innovation, they risk being left behind. Think about it: Hyundai, Kia, Toyota, and even Tesla were showing something new every month. If Volkswagen didn't evolve, customers might have slowly moved on. That's why the all-new second-generation T-Roc is such an important step. It's not just an update, it's a complete reimagining. The design is sharper and more modern. The car looks more premium and comes loaded with the latest technology: bigger touchscreens, connected car features, and advanced driver assistance systems that today's users expect. Volkswagen has also improved comfort and interior space, making the new T-Roc not just a stylish SUV, but also a true family car, perfect for long drives, safe and practical. What makes this launch special is its timing. It's coming out when the entire world is obsessed with EVs. Volkswagen has EV models too, but they clearly understand that not everyone will switch to electric right away. Millions of people still prefer petrol engines, and if they get a modern, tech-equipped, fuel-efficient car, they'll go for it without hesitation. Now, let's talk about the biggest highlight: the engine and performance. In an age where electric cars dominate the headlines, Volkswagen surprised everyone by launching the new T-Roc with a powerful turbocharged petrol engine, and honestly, that's what makes this SUV special. Volkswagen has equipped it with a 1.5-litre turbocharged petrol engine. In simple terms, turbocharged means the engine can produce more power from a smaller size, so even a compact engine performs like a much bigger one. The result? Excellent mileage and strong performance. This engine produces about 150 horsepower and 250 newton meters of torque. If those numbers sound technical, just know this: the car runs smoothly, even at speeds of 120–140 kilometers per hour on highways, and in city driving, you barely need to shift gears. Ask yourself, what are the biggest problems of EVs today? Charging takes hours. Fast charging stations are still rare in many countries. Batteries are extremely expensive, and their long-term life remains questionable. For city commutes and short distances, EVs are perfect. But what if you want to travel 500 or 600 kilometers in one stretch? For that, most people still find petrol or diesel engines far more practical. Volkswagen understood this hesitation, and instead of following the crowd, they addressed it head-on by launching the new T-Roc with a petrol engine. Of course, it's a gamble, because while Volkswagen is making this move, companies like Tesla, BYD, and Hyundai are growing so fast in the EV market that in 5 to 10 years, it's possible petrol cars will feel like relics of the past. That's why this decision has raised eyebrows everywhere. Many critics called it madness. When the whole world is going electric, why are you still making petrol cars? But Volkswagen has a simple answer: demand. Even in advanced markets like Europe and the United States, where EVs are heavily promoted, there are millions of people who still want petrol cars. Why? Because EVs are costly, charging is inconvenient,